Alright, so to do 16 and 17 on 5.2, I know this was from yesterday. On 5.2, we need to know what a circumcenter is and how to find it. How do you find a circumcenter? Is you find perpendicular bisectors. So we take this piece, we cut it in half. We take this piece and we cut it in half. We take this piece and we cut it in half. And then you draw perpendiculars. Okay? Now,
Keisha to the high school office. Keisha to the high school office.
they will meet at what is called the circumcenter. Okay? Different from the incenter. Now here's the thing. With the circumcenter, if this is an acute triangle, it'll be inside. If it's a right triangle, it'll be on the hypotenuse. If it's a right is going to be on the hypotenuse. Okay? And then an obtuse is going to be outside. Okay? It's going to be outside the circle. And the key to the circumcenter is this. You're creating a circle, right? Out of the vertices of the... See the difference between the incenter and the circumcenter? The circumcenter, the circle is outside of the triangle, right? And what that means, what that means is this. This, and this are all equal. Right? Because those are all radiuses of the circle. Radii, I should say. Does that make sense? So, the perpendiculars, they cut this in half. So this is half, this is half, this is half. Right? So those are all congruent to each other. These are all congruent because they're radii of the circle. Okay? So that's why this is a powerful theorem. Because it can do a lot. Now, these are not bisectors, angle bisectors. They are perpendicular bisectors of the segment. Okay? So whenever you hear perpendicular bisector, you should think circumcenter. Whenever you hear angle bisector, you should think incenter. Okay? So you might want to write that down in your cheat sheet. Alright. Here we go. We have negative 5, 0. So negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. That's M. 0, 14. That means I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay? And then 0, 0. So this is my triangle. Okay? That's my triangle. Now what did we say about the circumcenter of a right triangle? Where is it? Is it on the hypotenuse? Is it outside of the triangle? Or is it inside? Right triangle. What's it say? On the hypotenuse. Right. On. Right. On. Obtuse. Outside. Acute. When it's so cute. It's going to be inside. Okay? It's so acute. How much time we got? Why are we moving? I just feel like we want to leave or something. We ain't leaving. Alright. Alright, how do we find the circumcenter? What's the key? Perpendicular? Bisector. So that means I have to bisect this side. How many pieces is it? How far is it? How far? 5, yeah. So where's the middle? 2.5. And I'm going to go straight up. Right? So this is 2.5, right? Alright, let's cut that one in half. Okay, 14 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at that. Look, they met. It's like they were made for each other. I like it when someone's made for each other. Feels like love at first sight. Oh. Not. Okay, so where's that point? Where's that point? Ta-da! So anytime that they do this, where the thing's 0, 0, it's pretty easy. Half of this, half of that, and that's your point. And that's a negative, by the way. And that's your point. Okay? So that one's pretty easy. How easy is this one? Did they go through 0, 0?
Yeah.
Did they go on the x-axis, on the y-axis? Right? So y-axis, x-axis, right?
Yeah.
So half, half. And then what's your point? X is 1.5, negative. What's half of 19?
8, 9.
Done, hun. That was a little easier. It looks hard because it's all in like coordinates. Right? But it's actually pretty easy. Does that make sense? Okay?